Today's video will show you the difference after install 5mm spacers. In terms of the look, 5mm wheel spacers don't make a difference, but they do have positive effects on handling and performance. For those who plan on keeping the factory wheels and want to add larger brake calipers, wheel spacer will be a very useful solution. They increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake. BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 or 7075T6. The hard anodized surface treatment brings the corrosion function better. With these excellent characteristics, BONOSS wheel spacers bring safer driving and better handling for customers. In most cases, 5mm wheel spacers are enough for clearing the rubbing issues. They are subtle and don't hurt anything. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!